How to make a paracord bracelet, the beautiful flowers. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound. So before we start today's project, if you like this video, on the end give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. If you learn how to create this awesome paracord bracelet as well, the full tutorial we have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. And now we're gonna start. For today's project we're gonna use this pink paracord 550, total length around 1.2 meters or roughly 4 feet, and this green also 550, total length 2.2 meters or 7.3 feet. That being said, we're gonna start. First we're gonna take this green and we're gonna pull the ends, so we'll find the center of a cord. Now I'm gonna just zoom a bit. We'll start with the snake knot, so take the left strand and make it on top of the right one, around and to the back. Now with this right side cord, make it from the back to the left, on top of the now left side cord, and then through the loop here on the right side. Okay, this will be enough for our stop knot on the end. Now pull it, tight it well, and continue. Again, the left on top of this right strand, around and to the left, with this right strand to the back, around, and pass it through the loop here on the right side. So now we're gonna insert the pink cord. Take the ends of a pink, pull it together, find the center, and here we're gonna simply cross these two green cords and loop of the pink through the loop of the green, and then through the pink again. So we're gonna take the pink on top of a green and from the back through the loop. And now under the green, around, and from the top through the loop. On top, under and through. And now under, around, to the top and through. Now when we secure this end here, we're gonna create a new snake knot, but this time we're gonna make it around this pin cord. It will be the inner cords, so we're gonna take the left strand green around these two pink ones and the green one, and from the back to the side, and with this right strand green around and from the top into this loop here. Now before we create our stop knot here, we're gonna take the piece of red paracord and we're gonna insert it into this flower. So from the back side, take the needle or a feed and insert the red one through, and from the top here into the left. Now we're gonna create the diamond stop knot, so take this right strand, twist it and make it on top of the left one, and now with the left under this right strand, and from the top into the loop under this strand, and from the back to the top, like so, into the loop, under the strand, and from the back through. Now with this one, around and through the middle here, like so, and with this one, around and from here through the middle, and pull it. Now we need to rearrange a bit this knot. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video.